This is my sandfish. This is my one snake. Right here. Spotted python. And I want to show you something. She's probably going to bite. But yeah, his name is Blaze. And he's really, he's really awesome. He's the best eater. He eats very well. So, okay, now I'm going to show you my salamanders. Here's one. And yeah, I'll show you other animals another time. Okay? Bye.